Hi, it's Cox's Honey Queen again, and I'm going to talk to you with a tip today about the most common question I get all the time. In fact, this tip is for my friend Tiff, because she was asking me this just today. It's about granulated honey, or it's crystallized. You can see how dark compared to, I'll open this one so you can see that too. You can see the difference, and this is turned like hard and chunky. Some people call it crystallized, some granulated, some hardened. But there is a way to soften this to use and ways you can use it. I prefer to not throw it away. Some people think it's gone bad, but it has not gone bad. So I've discovered different things to do with it. And what I would like to talk to you about is that it's how you store it that turns it this way. Well, I'll do that on another YouTube. So one of the ways you can do this is you can put it in, I've got some really hot water, you see that? And you can just set it right in there. And as it cools down, you just keep doing it until it's softened. Another way is to do it in a double boiler or in the actual pan really super low, because honey and heat are enemies. But the third way I really prefer doing is more of a modern. So I'm going to go to the microwave for 10 seconds and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I had put it in there for 10 seconds. You don't want to put it any longer than that. You want to swish it around. So it's softened it a little bit and it's easier to manage. You can kind of see right there. Way better. But I like this on a lot of different things. It works as a great marinade for meat and different things. I also use it in drinks, and that's what I'm going to put in here. I actually make my drink every single night for arthritis. I'll have to do that on another YouTube because that is an amazing, with honey, several recipes with that. So drinks you can do it in, smoothies, meats. I love it. And meats, sauces, soups. I could just go on with all different things to put that in. I had a friend that is one of my customers. She called me and she said, I've got a case of this that's gone bad. I said, it's gone bad, don't throw it away, please. And she's just struggling to get it soft. And I said, you know what, I'll swap out, I'll take it. And now, in less than a couple months, I'm down to, I think I have one more container, which is in my shower. And that's another story. I'll tell you how to use it with your hair and different things like that. And so for future YouTubes, I will cover all these recipes. The drink one, the meat one, the hair one, the face scrub, the foot scrub. So follow me, subscribe to me on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Cox's Honey Queen. Have a sweet day. Cox's Honey Queen back. Just one more thing. I want to show you how easy this is to get out. This will take about a teaspoon and a half. See the chunkiness in there? You put it in a hot drink. I have actually heated, this is almond milk, for a little less than a minute, but it starts to dissolve and starts to soften up. So it's a great thing to put it in. All right, I promise that's it.